Here I have HUAWEI Nova 11 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Settings, then you should go to the Sounds and Vibrations, and then go to Do Not Disturb. So here you can switch Do Not Disturb mode. Here you can set up a schedule for it, like you can select days on which it will repeat. You can select start time, end time of the schedule. You can also allow interruptions. It could be like calls from anyone, from contacts only, from favorite contacts only, or from nobody. Same goes to messages. And you can also enable repeated calls. When enabled, a second call from the same person within 15 minutes will not be silenced. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.